how to do it. Hi you guys, today we're going to be making chocolate peanut butter fudge bar. So this is how it looks like. Oh, and guys, I'm here today. It's me. Okay, so this is how you make it. First thing we're going to do, white cheesy peanut butter, and you're going to take your chocolate cake mix, pour it to the bowl, and then add canned pumpkin. If it's a little too, not too, if it hasn't turned into really a cake batter, add a little bit of water, like we did. And then you're gonna peanut butter. And then you want to put it into your baking sheet that we greased, and make sure you grease the baking sheet. And then add a few dollars of peanut butter, and then you're gonna take a knife and swirl it to make it look pretty. And I got this, and I forgot to tell you guys that I got this recipe from foodnetwork.com/hungrygirl, and I also got this recipe when I watched the episode on TV. So if you want to, in the description box below, we will tell you how to make. In the description box below, we'll tell you all the directions and steps how to make it. If you were confused what we were saying, and all the greens you need and stuff. So let me just go. Esme, are you coming?
Yep, I'm here. I just have to wipe off my fingers.
Yeah, because we had peanut butter. And then after you stir it, just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Or until you stick a toothpick into it, and it comes out nice and clean. Clean song. Yeah, let's dance, Esme. Okay, Esme's funny face. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching.
The pumpkin.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Where can you find it?
You can find it in the baking aisle, actually, by the condensed milk they actually have it. It smells pretty good. It kind of smells doesn't smell the best, but I hope this turns out good. So we're going to put this, my mom's going to put this in the oven, like I said, at 350 for about maybe 20 to 25 minutes, even 30, maybe. Alright, thanks for watching part 1. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Esme's channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up power. And
Thanks for watching our video.
Thanks for watching!
Bye!
See you on part 2, and we'll show you how we rate it. Yeah, bye.
I was so, oh my god. Oh.